Who is that?
That is my friend.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
What is this?
This is a dog.
What is that?
That is a cat.
What is that?
That is a flower.
Is it raining outside?
Yes, it is raining.
Is this your car?
Yes, this is my car.
Who won the game?
The blue team won.
Is he your sibling?
No, he is my cousin.
Is she coming to the concert?
Yes, she is coming.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going hiking with friends.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is that?
That is a watermelon.
Where is the park?
The park is downtown.
Who are you?
I am Sophia.
How many students are in your class?
There are 20 students in my class.
Where are we?
We are in the park.
What is that?
That is my bag.
Who are they?
They are students.
Who is she?
She is my teacher.
Who is he?
He is my dad.
What are these?
These are balloons.
What is that?
That is a horse.
Is the movie good?
Yes, it's really good. Like and subscribe.